could either be underneath a window. In this case, it'll be underneath our freeze board. So it's easier if we put this up first. So this is a 3-inch cut that we have. We're going to install this as our last row, and then we're just going to have a trim on top of that. So how do we hold this in? We're going to use an undersill trim with our piece. And the way we keep it from falling out is we use a snap lock tool, and we punch a lock on the top of the piece so it locks in there, which we will show you in just a minute. So now I'm just going to hold it up there.
For this installation, we're going to use a clear trim board as a freeze. So we want our siding to terminate underneath that freeze board. We'll be packing the freeze board up by 3/4 of an inch to create a channel for the siding to slip under. To use a snap lock punch and the utility trim to hold up that last piece, just cut 2 small pieces so you can test fit the siding and the snap lock assembly to make sure you're at the right elevation. Using those 2 pieces locked together, mark the top for your utility trim, then carry that measurement across the entire wall, snap a line, and set your utility trim for the top to align with that measurement.
So it goes like this.
Snap lock punch tool has a stop to set the correct depth for the lock. The undersill trim has a corresponding receiver that will lock the siding in place without the need for face nailing. Install snap lock tabs every 10 to 12 inches, and then install the siding by sliding the top of the siding into the utility trim. Using utility trim with the snap lock method is a far superior finish than face nailing. Once the last row of siding has been installed, now it's time to install our trim.